Hello and welcome to HawkStack channel, guys. So today we are going to learn about a specific topic related to the Ansible, that is all about the conditional task. I'm mentioning this conditional task. So what is the meaning of the conditional task? Guys, if you want to perform your task according to your own situation, according to your own condition, so at that moment, conditional task is going to perform. When a statement is used to the to run a task conditionally. So what is the parameter or what is the keyword that you have to use is all about the condition. For making the condition, you will ask for the when. When keyword is responsible there. It will takes as a value the condition to test if the condition is met, the task runs. If the condition is not met, then the task is skipped. So this is all about the condition task inside the Ansible. So guys, in order to understand that specific task, we are going to perform a test example. By the help of this example, you will be able to understand how you have to implement the conditions inside the Ansible. So guys, I'm just present in my project directory. I already have the inventory file. If you want to check, you can check the inventory file. Just like Dev and Prod are the group's member. So I want to perform my task. I'm going to mention Vim. I will mention condition underscore one dot YAML file. I for insert mode. Now mention the task name. Name means it is just a documentation, what the task you want to run. So we'll mention here, we are performing the condition task. Host all. If you want to give any specific host, so you can mention just like prod, then inside the task section. Inside the task section, guys, you have to mention the name that you want to perform inside the system. I will say installation of web package. Module name, ansible.builtin.dnf, name, httpd, state, present. So by default, inside your system, the package will be installed. But when you want to install the package, so there can be multiple way to create condition. How you can create condition, we are going to check. Just like here, I will define one variable also if you want. Verse section. Inside the verse section, I will mention web pkg. Means you are looking for web package, right? Web package. And web package name is httpd. So this will be the part of the verse. So verse section you have to mention before the task section. Verse web underscore pkg. So web package you have to define and you have to mention the name of package httpd. So here you can mention that you are going to call this specific one httpd. Its state is present, and I will mention here when web underscore pkg is defined. What does that mean? If web package is defined, then it is going to run. Otherwise, it is not going to run inside the system. You have mentioned. Apart from this, guys, if you want to make it more dynamic, here you can call the specific variable in the system. How you will call? Apply the double quotation, then double curly braces, and then web underscore pkg. If the web package is defined, then it is going to run. Otherwise, it will not run. So this is the creation of the playbook. So, guys, we have just created the condition file, but now it's our responsibility to go check the syntax is fine or not and try to run those things. Okay, so now we are moving ahead. Now we are checking that condition is fine or not. So, in order to check, we have to run the syntax check command. Syntax check to find the syntax is correct or not. So, for this, we have to run Ansible navigator. I'm running in downside. Ansible navigator run. And then you have to mention conditional, then hyphen em standard output, hyphen syntax check, run. So guys, it's mentioned that we have mentioned some specific error, and due to that specific error, they are not going to run. What's the error? Task is not validated root. So what you come to know, there is a specific parameter tasks, not task. So go and again modify this. So we are inside this file, I for insert mode, come to the specific part where you have to mention, then do S. Now try again, run the syntax check again inside your system. So guys, you can see that we are running the syntax check in fine and the syntax is correct inside the system. Now run this Ansible navigator, run condition1.yaml hyphen yaml standard output and just run it. So we are waiting to get the output from the command. Just right now, system is gathering the information, and after this, they are going to perform the specific task on the machine. So see guys, the installation of web package is done on the prod group. If you want to check that which is the prod group, you can check cat inventory. So you come to know that prod group is the group which having the node 4. If you want to verify also, there is a chance to verify. You can go with the Ansible node 4. Then you have to run -m command, then -a argument, DNF list installed, and then the name of package, just like HTTPD. See, it's installed or not? It's installed. So now, guys, we have verified that with the conditions, we can run any specific task and we are able to find out the output and we are verified it is run in the system. So this is all about the conditional statement, guys. You can create multiple conditions, not only one, and you can make more complex according to your requirement. So that's all for today, guys. We will meet again in next video. Thank you.